got a big announcement today, and some of you may already be aware of this, but guess what? I have a brand new book coming out September 8th. It is called 20-Minute Watercolor, and I'm so excited to get this book in your hands. It's been a labor of love for the all of last summer I spent working on this book, and it's my second published book. The year before that, I worked on Paint the National Parks, my first book. So I've collaborated once again with Corey Books for my second book. Now, what's really special about this book is that it is modeled kind of after my very popular daily challenges, which is part of my Watercolor Mastery membership. I created the daily challenges specifically with the idea that the more you paint, the more you practice, the better you get, and consistency is key. So 20-Minute Watercolor has 52 projects. Unique projects, brand new. None of them are daily challenges on my website. They are all specific to this book. And so 52 projects gives you one painting every week for an entire year. So the cool thing about this too is that it only uses 7 colors, 1 brush, and 1 paper size. So for the book, of course, I chose my favorite brush, the Silver Black Velvet size 8 round brush, and you'll see me using that in all the projects. I used my favorite Fabriano Artistico 5x7 inch block and the Daniel Smith Essentials set of 6 colors. It's just 6 primaries with the addition of burnt sienna because I love that color, especially for animals. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek now into my book for the first time here on my channel. One of the amazing things about using primary colors is that you can create hundreds of colors just with those 6. And burnt sienna adds another element, of course. So I teach you how to do a mixing chart. There's a whole section on basic techniques like washes and values, glazing, dry brush, graded washes, so much more. I even talk about negative painting. So you can see there's a lot of photographs, a lot of step-by-step instruction, and there's a little section here on tracing and sketching as well. So once you get into the projects, there are actually 5 sections. We have a section on landscapes, and that's 11 projects there. And then I have a section all about painting animals, also with 11 projects, I believe. My favorite one I'll show you is my corgi with a bow tie, modeled after my own corgi, of course. So lots of super fun animal projects in here. And then I also have a section on 20-minute flowers. Now, my style of flower painting is not exactly loose. I really love realistic flowers, but there are some really simple projects like the calla lilies, for example, which uses just 3 primaries. And then you have some that are maybe just a little more intermediate, like the lavender flowers are really, really simple. And then the purple iris is going to be somewhat more advanced, but again, it's just using 3 colors. Isn't that amazing how much color variety you can get with just those 3 primaries? So I'm really proud of this book. And then the next section is 20-minute birds. Everyone loves painting birds, and they're so fun to sketch and fairly straightforward to sketch too because of the simple shapes. So we've got a whole variety of birds here, some backyard birds, some more exotic birds. And then finally, we have a section on still life painting. So you'll see food and beverages and objects like a bird's nest. A whole variety in there as well. And then a great aspect of this new book, in Paint the National Parks, I had some feedback from people who were like, we don't have a printer, how do we download these traceables? And so all of the traceables are actually right here inside of the back of the book. So there they are. You can trace them right out of the book if you'd like. But we also have QR codes, which if you scan, you can watch a short soundless video on some of the techniques that you see on these exact projects. So there's little demonstration videos. And if you come back to the beginning of the book here, right here we have a QR code you can scan to download all of the reference photos and templates. You may have noticed the reference photos are not included in the book. We only had so much room. So I fit everything in this book that I possibly could. It's jam-packed with quality content that I think you're going to love. And because there's a whole section just for beginners, anyone can try this from beginner all the way to advanced. So get yourself a copy, 20-Minute Watercolor, published by Corey Books. It's coming out September 8th. And something that really helps with the success of a book is pre-sales. So I have a link in the description here where you can pre-purchase your book and it'll get shipped to you just as soon as the book comes out. This was truly a labor of love. I'm so excited about this book. I hope that you'll love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching my video all about my new book. I'll see you again in another video soon.